FS Hub, a quick snippet into the future of SAU USD Gold in London market section. Gold London. I think this is a little correction to my last post. These are two SR support become resistance and breaker structure twice, and after a breaker structure it became RT RS, and that makes here a new demand floor. I want to push into 22, 23. I said it yesterday. I continue to say the same thing. And what drew my awareness into this is what price has done here. After seeing what price have done there, price inability to break out from that structure, and you have seen a complete bearish drop. So we need a confirmation. Xavi FS Hub need confirmation. Without confirmation, forward guidance is compromised. So after break of structure, price returns there as a RTSR, a retest to a broken structure, and support become resistance on break of structure. And we did that on 3 different occasions, and we have seen that price broke out from that structure, making here a supply roof. And I want to be very much objective to put it into perspective. So that becomes your supply roof. And the other one becomes your demand floor. This is 2 hours supply roof, and this one is your 3 hours, 2 hours demand floor. And your long-term perspective buy will be on this structure. So on 2 hours, I'm locking it on two structure. We have a break and retest here on 2 hours, and we have a retest to a broken demand floor, making it a supply roof, and we have sold and we broke out. So on technical, if we continue to draw down on the market, I will rely on this descending trend line for another retest, and the break below it will be sell confirmation. And to further cement the legacy of this descending trend line breakout, price tested a couple of times. Then shortly after that, there was a clear breakout, and that clear breakout was followed by another retest. And after the retest, you have seen that price came back to retest this structure here as a resistance structure, here as support structure, here as resistance structure, breakout, retest, breakout, further sell, breakout. If price comes back into 3,311, we might be looking for a buy opportunity. And if you look critically on this level, you will see that there is a strong candle close here on 2 hours, giving buy clearance at 3,305. I don't know if that's going to be very strong. I don't know, and I cannot tell you if that will be very strong, but we are going to watch it. I'm going to watch it. I think there's some level of potency to that level. There's some potency. There's another potency here. There's another potency to that level. So it's going to be 302 to 306. So I think I like this level of potency. This level of potency is based on current price action. We have here as a support structure. We have here as another support structure. And we have here as another support structure. Breakout structure we have here as a retest to a broken structure. And price have messed it up. If it returns here, most likely you will see that 301, 300 might give you the reaction that you want to see. The probability is very high. But at the moment, let's look at the current price action, as this is also very important for me and my strategy. On 2 hours, I'm looking at 2 hours close. So I think allow this market to let it drop very well. It's already in a sell. It's already in a sell zone. It has already broken out to enter already in a sell zone. So it has to really come down very well. Yes. Yeah, really, it's still bullish, but look at the line chart. SR1, ROSRT, SR2, SR3, SR4 breakout retest. So for we to get a buy, we need a price breakout return in this top floor for us to go up. And maybe most likely, if we do that, then we are going to retest this trend line over here. There's going to be a steep trend line here, which will be respected on 2 hours. So we are going to watch it. If it comes back there, that will be a litmus test for buy, for sell, sorry. At that level, might be a litmus test for sell. So let me also put that up for reference. But I think at the moment where price has entered now, honestly, it. I also want to show you something again about why I have caught sell yesterday. What gave me that impetus at that level of call we did yesterday was also based on this. You can see you can see that ascending trend line breakout and see what price have done with it. Everything the market does is plain. Market is very honest. Market never lies. The only people that lie are we traders. We are the only ones that lie. Market never tells a lie. Everything the market does is in the structure, so it never lies. So we have here as RT slash SR, support become resistance or breaker structure. And remember, the strategy is based on SR-RS interchange and allow market to create a structure. You can't make that out. You can't make it up. You can't do that on your own. After we broke out, we came back here and retested. If you look critically, you will see that there is a retest at this level. After a breakout from that interchange, we have here as ROS, we have here, we have here as SR, support become resistance and breaker structure. And we have here as ROS, there's an ROS over there, and that technically start forming that interchange. ROS resistance becomes support and breaker structure. And after we broke the structure, and in fact, the impetus came by locking two structures. So we have two SRO level, SRO1, SRO2 with one ROS level. That's given us an ascending trend line, which I'll call ATL. So on that ATL, now we had an official breakout and we have retested one, ROS1, ROS2, ROS3. So we have three ROS and also retest to a broken structure. One, I don't want to put that RT, but I already know. So we have another one here too, and we have another one, three. So allow this market to continue to drop. Let it rain, 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 let it rain. And at this level, we have price sitting at creating a temporary demand floor at this level. There is a temporary demand floor at 3,300, 3,303. We must acknowledge that structure. And it has provided a buy impetus due to the price action here. We have here as an ROS level, break of an RS level by an upswing structure. Price came back, retest one, retest two. So that makes it RT slash SR1. Support become resistance on breaker structure 2, 1, and we have another one. So we want price to return into that structure and seek liquidity, and I want it to return into 23. Into 23, I have a strong 2 hours candle close, which is also evident on 4 hours. So a pushback into that structure might provide me with the opportunity. I want that structure to be taken out and come into 22. And in a more extreme case, price might, when it comes there, of course, it will now come back and retest here as a broken supply roof to become a new demand floor. And that could technically, if it doesn't form a W structure and return back here, then you find out that the market will drop from there and return into 3,300 mark, 3,302. And at this level, we begin to seek for a potential buy opportunity in the market. So be patient, allow the market to come down, let it do one thing. But I'm very sure that it's going to take away 3,330. So let us see what it does at 33,323. So at 3,323, I'm going to drop that trade. So I will say watch 3323, 3320. These are areas of risk, and a breakout from there should come to 3,311, 3,311 into 3,300. Watch 3,311, 3,300. This is another potential buy floor based on the strategy. So if that level fails, then I will present a new chart. But at the moment, I think this is what the market is looking at, and this is what it might likely do. Bye-bye.